I'm going to show you the top tips and tricks to master your Samsung Smart TV remote in no time, making your viewing experience way more enjoyable. Hey there, Samsung Smart TV owners. Are you tired of fumbling with your remote control, trying to figure out what all those buttons do? Well, you're in the right place. This video is all about helping you master your Samsung Smart TV remote control so you can enjoy your viewing experience fully. We'll cover the basics, some advanced features, and share some tips and tricks along the way. With so many features packed into these remotes, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. From navigating menus to accessing apps, there's a lot to learn. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using your Samsung Smart TV remote control. Your Samsung Smart TV remote control is designed to make it easy to access all the features of your TV. It may look simple, but it has a lot of power under the hood. With it, you can control not just your TV, but also other devices connected to it. The remote control is an essential part of the Smart TV experience. It's what lets you navigate menus, access apps, and adjust settings. So, let's dive in and explore what makes your Samsung Smart TV remote control tick. Samsung Smart TV remotes usually come with a range of features, including a touchpad, voice control, and dedicated app buttons. They also often include a microphone for voice commands. But with so many buttons and features, it can be hard to know where to start. Some users struggle with the layout, while others find it difficult to navigate the menus. And then there are those who just aren't sure how to use the voice command feature. But don't worry, we're here to help. The key to mastering your remote is to understand what each button does. Let's start with the basics. The directional pad is used for navigating menus and selecting options. The back button takes you back to the previous screen, while the home button brings you back to the main menu. To access apps, you can use the app button, which usually takes you straight to the App Store. From there, you can download and install your favorite apps. You can also use the voice command feature to search for specific apps. Voice commands are a powerful feature on Samsung Smart TV remotes. With it, you can search for content, change channels, and even control other smart devices in your home. To use voice commands, simply press the voice button and start talking. You can customize your remote to suit your needs. For example, you can program the remote to control other devices, such as your soundbar or Blu-ray player. You can also adjust the settings to make the remote more comfortable to use. Mastering your remote is important because it lets you get the most out of your smart TV. With it, you can access a world of entertainment, from streaming services to games. And by customizing your remote, you can make it work the way you want it to. By becoming proficient with your remote, you'll be able to navigate your TV's menus and features with ease. You'll be able to find what you're looking for quickly and easily, and you'll be able to enjoy your favorite shows and movies without interruption. So, what do other users think about mastering their Samsung Smart TV remote control? We've had great feedback from users who've learned how to use their remote effectively. They love being able to access their favorite apps and content quickly and easily. One user told us that learning how to use voice commands was a game changer. They can now search for content without having to type anything. Another user said that customizing their remote to control other devices has made their viewing experience more enjoyable. In summary, mastering your Samsung Smart TV remote control is key to getting the most out of your TV. By understanding what each button does and how to use the voice command feature, you can navigate your TV's menus and features with ease. So, what's the takeaway from this video? It's simple: with a little practice, you can master your Samsung Smart TV remote control and enjoy a more seamless viewing experience. If you've got a favorite feature on your Samsung Smart TV remote control, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're looking for more smart TV tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you've got any questions or comments, leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.